Downloading and installing GDAK22. First, go to Chrome or any web and search GDAK download. After that, click the Java downloads under the Oracle website. Scroll down and under the Windows find x64 MSI installer, and click the link to download. Wait until the download is complete. After completing the download, go to File Explorer and go to Downloads. Double-click the link that was downloaded. It will prepare to install and then click Next, and then Next after that click Close. Next, go to Local Disk and click Program Files. Look for Java and click JDK22 and then get the properties of Ben. Copy the location and search edit the system environment variables. After that, click Environment Variables and click Path, and then New and paste the location that was copied and click OK. Click New and type Java Home and variable name and paste again the location and variable value and then click OK, OK, and OK. After that, search cmd and click Command Prompt and type Java version and enter. As you can see, there is already a Java GDAK version 22 installed in the system. Downloading and installing Netbeans 22. Open Chrome or any web and search Netbeans. Download. Click Apache Netbeans and under the Apache Netbeans 20 to click Download. Wait until it finished downloading. After downloading, click the file and click Finish. After that, search Netbeans and click it. Click File, New Project and choose Java with Ant and click Next. Enter your desired project name and enter. You can now enjoy coding in Java.